Hi there, my smarty pants. It's me, Miss Mason, and we're going to talk about a lantern collage in celebration of Chinese New Year. Okay, so the supplies you're going to need: paper, white construction or wrapping. Okay, does not matter. Papel blanco, construcción o regalo. Scissors, tijeras, colors, colores, glue or tape, pegamento or cinta. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to show you with construction paper and white paper, and you can see it's recycled and it's been folded, but it's okay. All right, so I'm going to start with my white paper, and I'm actually going to cut that in half, okay? And you can see it's folded, so if you need to fold your paper, you can. And I'm just going to cut that in half so I have two papers, okay? And on one of these papers, I'm going to draw a lantern shape. So remember, a lantern is something that is like a lamp. Well, it's a light. It shines light, okay? And in the Chinese New Year, they're beautiful lanterns with colors, and they glow, and they're beautiful. Okay, so we're going to use lots of colors, and you can use a variety of shapes. Okay, so I'm going to put a top and a bottom, and then I'm going to put kind of a curved line. Okay, that's pretty good. So that's one of my lanterns, but I'm not done yet. I'm going to, I'm going to color that one. So I got all my crayons out here. Now, if you have paint and you want to use paint, that's fine. You can do that. Okay. So I'm just going to color my lantern real quick, and then I'm going to draw some designs on it with a darker color. If you want to draw your designs first, that's fine. It's up to you. Or if you would rather use wrapping paper that's already got a pattern on it, you can do that too. Okay, so this is another opportunity to use that wrapping paper you saved from the holidays. It's a little bit unconventional, but that's okay. That means it's a little bit different. That's okay. As long as it's pretty, that's the most important thing. Okay. All right, so I've got my lime green. Actually, what do they call it? Yellow green. I love that color. It's one of my favorite colors. All right, and I'm going to take this blue. Yeah, that's a cool blue. And I'm going to put some stars. And maybe I'll use, some black. Some black ones too, why not? Okay, so now I've got some stars. I got one lantern done. I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. Okay. Now, you need to make more than one lantern. Let's say 3. Okay. All right, so there's my lantern. That one's finished. Put that over there. All right, my next piece of paper, I'm going to draw another lantern shape. Let's see, this one, I'm going to make it kind of bumpy looking. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, I'm going to color it a light color. I'm going to color it yellow. No, maybe this yellow-orange. Yeah, that'll be good. Yeah, that's a good color. You can use whatever colors you want. Now, something to keep in mind, red in China, red is thought of as good luck. So I think I'm going to use some red for my designs on this one. Okay. Alright, now you can see I'm not coloring super neatly because I know I'm going to cut this out, so I don't have to color inside the lines. It can be a little messy. Alright, and where's my red? That's violet red, I don't want that. Red, there we go. I'll do red spirals. love spirals, they're so fun. Okay, that's a pretty good pattern, and I'm ready to cut this one out. And again, you can see that it's okay that I didn't color super neatly. Okay, there's my other one. All right, put that one over there. All right, and now I have my construction paper. And again, I'm just going to use half of this. So I'm going to fold it, and then I'm going to cut it. Okay, now I need one more lantern. Let's see, what kind of shape am I going to use? I think I'll turn it this way and do kind of a squat shape. It kind of reminds me of a propane tank. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, but since my paper's already yellow, I don't need to color it again. But what I can do instead is put some other designs on it. Let's see, blue. That'll work. So I'm going to put some stars. Now you can get fancier with your patterns if you want. You can make them super fancy. Or you can keep it pretty simple, like I'm doing. I'll just do one more row. Okay, now I'm ready to cut this one out. Alrighty, and there is my other lantern. Okay, so let's look at all three of these together. Put my crayons away. Sorry if that's loud. Alright, so I've got my three lanterns. Now I'm going to get a new sheet of paper, and again, it can be colored or white or whatever. I'm not going to use that though, because that one is too small. So I'm just going to leave this one white, but this is a good opportunity to use wrapping paper if you want, or something else. Okay, and I'm going to layer them on top of each other and in front of each other. Let's see, maybe we'll put that one there, that one there. So they're kind of on top. Let's see, gosh, I kind of wish my paper was bigger. I wonder if I turn it this way if it'd be better. Well, yeah, actually I think so. Okay, so I'm going to use glue. You can use glue or tape, whichever. And if you have a glue stick, that's fine too. All right, I'm going to start with my orange. Remember, dot, dot, not a lot. You're just gluing a piece of paper, not a house. Okay, I'm going to put my orange one down first. And then I'm going to put my yellow one on top of that. Another reason not to use too much glue is because if you use too much, it squirts out and makes a big mess on your paper. Okay, so there's that one. And then I'm going to put this one in front. Okay, remember dot dot, not a lot. And I'll put that one up there. Okay. Now the last step is to use your color. Let's see, I'm going to choose a black. Yep, there's my black. And I'm going to draw the string from which they are going to hang. Okay, so it looks like they're hanging. There we go. All right. And there's my lantern collage. Okay, so do 3 lanterns. Do each one with a different pattern. Glue them down to a new paper so they're overlapping. And have fun, guys. I can't wait to see them. Bye.